brutal sports across different empires. The Aztecs played Tlachtli, a ball game where players used only their hips, knees, and elbows to pass a heavy rubber ball through a stone hoop. The game had religious significance, and the losing team's captain was sometimes sacrificed to the gods. The stakes were high, and the game was a matter of life and death. In the swamps of what is now known as Florida, the Seminole Indians engaged in a dangerous sport, alligator wrestling. The creatures are aggressive by nature, and challenging them to a wrestling match definitely raised the stakes. This was not just a sport, but also a means of gathering food. The ancient Greeks had a sport called pankration, a brutal mix of boxing and wrestling. The only rules were no biting and no gouging of the eyes or mouth. Everything else was fair game. The matches were intense and could sometimes result in the death of a competitor. The victor was hailed as a hero and showered with laurels and accolades. Romans were famous for gladiator games where combatants fought till death for the entertainment of the crowds. Wild, hungry animals will only be released to raise the stakes even higher.